Keep going. I know that's the fire thing with the jump. Yeah. Oh my god, this is dead. You're a true hero. Second one today.
How are you still walking? Did your legs fall off yet?
I know, right? Hey, how about these fire drills, man?
They suck. I'm freezing. Look at my legs. Look at my legs. Right down my legs. I'm freezing. Look at her. It's very
Looks
short.
like you're starting to bleed. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm dying from the cold.
Excellent.
It's absolutely horrible. I think they're stupid. We should be done with fire drills for the rest of the year now.
Yeah, well, that's your own fault.
And the light's never gone off, which I think is stupid.